Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstradertoday. So today in this video I will tell you how the natural gas price has moved in the last month and how the natural gas price can move in this particular month. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen that natural gas after breaking this particular zone, and this is the zone. If you look at this chart, this is from 2009. From Feb we have seen this is the particular zone where the natural gas was moving for so long, and here also it was quite volatile if you look at this range. Okay, and after, if you have seen my previous video, I have clearly explained that $4.8 once goes upside, we can see it can go to a level of 6 to a level of $6.9, and once if it goes above that level, we can see a new high can form in the natural gas. Why I was saying you this? Because as we have seen that the price has already breaked around 10 years high. After that, what we have seen, there was a continuous rise. Because why is the continuous rise? Because of the war situation also had happened, and the pandemic situation also happened, but it has not given so much of rise as compared to the war, because a supply chain has affected at that particular time. And there's a 10 years high also has moved upside. So what we have seen that if you look at this particular candles, we have seen that this is being tested thrice. That means around it has moved upside for thrice. That $9 had once, twice and thrice. And this is the fourth time what we have seen that it is trying to move up and made a high of around $8.268. Why I'm explaining you this? Because you should know, if you have to know that whenever you trade or whenever you invest, you should know that how the market has moved previously. Before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding natural gas or any other commodities, even forex, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And you can join my Telegram channel also, link I've given in the description. And now please watch the full video, then you will understand how it works. See, suppose if this particular level sustain, we have seen the range high. Keep this in mind, our range high is around $6.739. Keep this in mind. And the next is around $6.534. And this is, I'm saying you, these you have to understand something if you want to know that where it can move. And after that, what we have seen, our next support is $6.3. Now let's move forward. See, suppose if this particular level sustain, which is currently trading around $7.910. Suppose if this particular level sustain, we can see it can touch a level of $8.140. And suppose if that level also sustain, and if goes above that price, then we can see it can touch a level of $8.33. And suppose the price goes above that level, then we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of $8.413, and from there we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $8.8. Keep this in mind. If it goes above a level of 8.4, we can see a level of $8.4, because 8.4 is a weak resistance, so probability is very high. We can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $8.8. And suppose if that level also sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $9. And this $9 is a weak resistance, so probability is very high. We can see it can go further upside towards a level of $9.42. Once the price goes above that level, that means if the natural gas price goes above that level, because this particular 9.4 is a weak resistance, so probability is very high. We can see it can go further high towards a level of $9.73, and from there we can see it can go further upside. Now I have already explained you that the market will not move, or a price cannot move directly like this, even commodity or even chart, till the time there is no big news like war or recession or something like corona pandemic type situations. It will not move directly like this, or it will not move in this particular downside. So it will hold for some time, and then it will move upside. In the same way, it will hold for some time, then it will come down. So now suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, because we have seen a swing forming at this particular zone, and it has already made a high of around $296. Suppose if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can come down again to a level of $7.751. Okay, and if that level goes downside, then we can see it can move further down and can touch a level of $7.3. Okay, suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $7.167. Okay, and if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can fall further low and can touch a level of around $6.7. Again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see a level of $7.7. Okay, and if the price didn't sustain that level also, then we can see it can touch a level of $7.5, and from there we can see a level of 7.3. Suppose if the price, then we can see a level of $7.167. Okay, so once the price goes below a level of $7.167, then we can see it can fall further low and can touch a level of $6.93, and from there we can see it can move further low and can touch a level of $6.7. Okay, once the price fall below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 6.7, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of $6.38. Okay, once the price fall below that level, then a probability of going further down towards a level of $5.9 is there, and from there we can see it can move further low. So I will already explain you that these are the few supports that you have to understand carefully, because these are the support from where we can see a bounce back can come or a downfall can come. Okay, whenever it will hit a resistance, we can see it can fall, but a support will the nearby support will support it and can move further upside from that particular point. Okay, now you have to understand something, that if you are trading, most of the people lose money in trading. Okay, what I teach in my workshop regarding trading, that suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, that is 1000 to 1500. Risk 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100 per trade. Now suppose if you took 5 trades, your risk is $500 per day, that is 100 per trade. Okay, now suppose if you lose all 5 trades, your risk is $500, and then stop the trade for the day. Now the next day what will happen? You can focus more on profit rather than this recovering this particular amount. Okay, this is very important. So what, rather than recovering this particular amount, what people do is they lose so much money in the first day itself, that is around 2000 or 3000 like this. Okay, and they try to recover this amount, which in turn lose their full capital. This is how they wipe out their capital, and then they don't trade next time. So what I teach in my workshop, how to overcome all these barriers and how to strategize your trades. Okay, this is how. If you want to attend my workshop, mail me regarding that, and we can work out on the timings, how you can psychologically, patiently, and then strategize your trades according to that. Okay, so hope any doubt regarding this, mail me. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.